Astronomy binoculars are a must-have for anyone passionate about outdoor activities like stargazing. They can also come in handy when sightseeing, watching sporting events, attending concerts, and more. Astronomy binoculars are a great alternative to telescopes. They serve the same purpose but provide you with a unique viewing experience. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best astronomy binoculars. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Canon 12x36 Image Stabilization 3 Binoculars. The Canon 12x36 Image Stabilization 3 binoculars for astronomy offer the company's typical high-end optics and Poro 2 prisms, resulting in a sharp, bright, colorful image. It also features a double-field flattener, which produces a distortion-free image. The 36mm objective lens diameter is slightly lower than what is typically recommended for astronomy use. However, these still offer plenty of light gathering for stargazing. You'll also be able to use them for things like bird watching, adding to their versatility. Plus, the smaller objective lens results in a more compact size ideal for most people, which is why it earned our top spot. These Canon Binos provide 12x magnification, allowing you to see details on the moon's surface. What really makes these optics stand out is the image stabilization. Canon built these with technology similar to what they use in their EF lenses, resulting in much sharper images when holding the binoculars. Number 6. Celestron Outland X Binoculars. The Celestron Outland X binoculars are multi-coated optics that provide high-resolution and high-contrast views, while Bach 4 glass prisms provide enhanced color fidelity. You'll enjoy crisp, detailed pictures of distant subjects. It is designed to withstand all weather conditions. Outland X compact binoculars are filled with dry nitrogen gas and then sealed for rigorous outdoor use without internal fogging of the lenses. It has a durable rubberized exterior that protects from hard use and harsh outdoor conditions while providing a secure, anti-slip gripping surface. Its sturdy construction makes Outland X a great travel or birdwatching binocular. Its significant focus knobs make for easy and precise focusing. Twist-up eye cups allow you to customize the binocular's eye relief to obtain an entire field of view with or without eyeglasses. Number 5. Nikon PROSTAFF P710x42 Binocular. The Nikon PROSTAFF P710x42 binocular is very compact and lightweight, coming in at just 1.3 pounds and just under 6 inches long. It will be much easier to bring them along on your trips. And it will be easier to hold for longer viewing sessions as well. The PROSTAFF P7 are also ruggedly built and suited for adventures. They are waterproof to 3.3 feet and nitrogen-filled for fog-proof performance. The 0.62-inch eye relief works well for those who wear glasses, and the turn-and-slide eye cups are adjustable to work well for a group of people. A rubber-armored body protects from drops and bumps and makes them easier to hold. Nikon used a water and oil repellent coating on both the objective and eyepiece lenses, which helps keep them free of water and fingerprints. Although these are not specifically designed for stargazing, they will definitely do the job. The 10x magnification is enough for casual night sky viewing, and the 42mm objective lens will gather plenty of light. Number 4. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD Binoculars. The Vortex Optics Crossfire HD Binoculars is a solid set of binoculars with everything a beginner could want from a portable stargazing tool. These binoculars work just as well for spotting birds as they do for tracking comets across the Milky Way. The Crossfire binoculars are rugged, and there's no doubt about it. With a sealed nitrogen-filled interior, these binoculars are waterproof and fog-resistant. Their exterior is also rubberized to make it impact-resistant. The Crossfire binoculars ship with a case and strap and work efficiently with a tripod. Their versatility and easy application to many terrestrial and cosmic scenarios make them a great pair of binoculars for beginners. It is a set that's powerful enough to give you visions of the planets, yet isn't so expensive that you'll have to worry when you pack it on your expedition to Iceland to see the northern lights. Number 3. Celestron SkyMaster 15x70 Binocular. The Celestron SkyMaster 15x70 Binocular comes with these giant astronomy binoculars, and you get massive 70mm objective lenses and powerful 15x magnification. It's the most popular combination for viewing objects in the night sky and distant land-based targets. While they may be a bit weak for more experienced viewers, they are perfect for novices and those who still need to be ready to invest much cash in the hobby. It has a rubber-armored housing that protects your binoculars from damage and provides a secure gripping surface. Bach 4 prisms maximize light throughput to your eye, so you see brighter, more detailed images. The water-resistant exterior stands up to harsh conditions and unexpected rainy weather. With a large aperture and 70mm objective lenses, this model is great for low lighting and maximum image brightness, which is necessary for quality stargazing. Number 2. SkyGenius 10x50 Binoculars. The SkyGenius 10x50 binoculars are an excellent budget price starter pair for new stargazers. While their 10x50 size isn't as well equipped for astronomy as some binoculars, they're a solid choice, especially when paired with such clear optics for a reasonable price. Well aligned and ready for further customization with a diopter system that allows you to match the binoculars to your eyes, SkyGenius delivers crisp views of the moon and beyond. As 10x50s, these binoculars won't deliver the clarity of large 20x80s for different celestial bodies, but they will do a good job. For the price, these binoculars have surprisingly good optics, and their main downside is only their fragility. They are neither waterproof nor fog-proof, and their build isn't as durable or bump-resilient as some of the higher-end binoculars on this list. Still, they're a great, surprisingly powerful buy for the low price. Number 1. Canon 10x42L Image Stabilization Waterproof Binoculars. The Canon 10x42L Image Stabilization Waterproof Binoculars for astronomy offer a large objective lens of 42mm, capturing tons of light for viewing even dim celestial objects. The 10x magnification is plenty for most astronomical observations and offers plenty of eye relief for a range of users. Like the pair mentioned above, these feature Canon's impressive image stabilization. It will almost look like you are using a tripod, giving you sharp, clear views. The L in the name refers to Canon's top-tier line of optics. These feature two ultra-low dispersion (UD) lens elements on each side, which effectively corrects for chromatic aberration. Images will be sharp, bright, and vibrant, offering excellent views of the stars. The 10x42L WP binocular offers both the desired brightness and excellent waterproof capabilities, making it ideal for a host of activities including marine use, stargazing, and wildlife observation. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.